Hey, beautiful souls. Welcome to the official Forestri Health yoga page. I'm Jasmine, and today we will be going over cat-cow stretch. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to get updates on my newest videos. Cat-cow stretch is perfect for beginners because it helps to create flexibility in the whole spine and works the muscles throughout the body. Cat-cow stretch is great for exercising your hip flexors, ab muscles, lower back muscles, and your upper back muscles like the trapezies. The cat-cow stretch helps to improve posture and balance and can help relieve back pain while opening up the chest. This stretch can also release tension in the neck and tailbone. Cat-cow stretch can improve brain function and improve focus, coordination, and mental stability. The cat-cow pose improves blood circulation between the vertebrae of your spine, which can reduce stress. So if you're new to yoga and want to learn a full body stretch, this is a good video for you. So let's begin. You will start on the mat on your hands and knees in a tabletop position. Keep your spine straight and your head in line with your spine, looking down at the floor. Then, on your inhale, you will start with cow pose by lifting your head up. Keep your shoulders down and let your stomach sink towards the mat. Then arch your hips up towards the ceiling. On your exhale, you're going to switch into cat pose by lowering your head into your chest, rounding the spine outwards, then tucking in your hips and tailbone. Now we are going to use the stretch for 1 minute, and remember to inhale into your cow pose and exhale into your cat pose. Beautiful. Now to get out of the pose, relax your shoulders and hips. Make sure they're parallel to the floor in tabletop position. And that is how you do cat-cow stretch.